Fly with the birds, absolutely. Um, Perspective, to be able to see things from a different perspective. Being in the water is dark. Okay?
Fly with the birds. Because I don't like dolphins, I don't like water. Fly with the birds. Just something different, basically. To see the world from above, it would be.
Swim with the dolphins. Dolphins are good in nature. I'd rather be with good people than go for the millions for the best out there.
I don't know, just too scary, but dolphins, please. I'm afraid of heights. I don't want to fall.
Fly with the birds. Seems better.
Fly with the birds. I don't know, the sky is just a different place to be.
Fly. Because I want to run away from everything.
Why are you running?
Fly with the birds. Because I'll be up there.
Fly with the birds.
I love being in the sky.
I think they say the dolphins are friendly with human, but it's a nice story. I like to fly with the birds.